John chapter 20 serves as the climactic account of the resurrection of Jesus, beginning with the discovery of the empty tomb by Mary Magdalene. Upon seeing the stone removed, she alerts Peter and the beloved disciple, who both race to the site. The narrative emphasizes the physical reality of the empty grave through the detailed description of the discarded linen cloths and the face cloth folded separately. While the disciples return home in bewilderment, Mary remains and becomes the first witness to the risen Christ, initially mistaking him for a gardener until he calls her by name, prompting her to announce to the others that she has seen the Lord. The scene then shifts to a locked room where the disciples are hiding in fear of the Jewish authorities. Jesus miraculously appears in their midst, offering peace and displaying his wounds to confirm his identity. He commissions them for their future mission, breathing on them to signify the gift of the Holy Spirit and granting him the authority to forgive or retain sins. This moment marks the transition from the disciples' period of mourning and confusion to their new roles as apostolic witnesses of the resurrection, empowered by divine breath to continue the work Jesus started. The chapter concludes with the famous encounter between Jesus and Thomas, who was absent during the first appearance and had voiced deep skepticism. 8 days later, Jesus appears again specifically to address Thomas's doubts, inviting him to touch his wounds. Thomas's subsequent confession, "My Lord and my God," represents the pinnacle of faith within the gospel. The author finishes by stating that these signs were recorded so that readers might believe Jesus is the Messiah, the Son of God, and that by believing, they may have life in his name.